There are lots of rewards to being in the field of nephrology.
Nephrology is very rewarding because there are many conditions that we can treat and we can actually make them really better.
It's really rewarding when you feel like you've been able to help somebody.
One of the things that has been the most rewarding for me is the acute disease processes like the glomerular diseases give you an opportunity to find someone who's very sick, to diagnose what's going on, and then to actually be able to immediately start a therapy.
Not many medical diseases allow you to do that. So where you can actually virtually get a patient who's very unwell to very well.
The most rewarding is really just the relationships that you build with your patients. You know, we do see our patients quite frequently. We develop close bonds with these patients.
I get a lot of satisfaction in terms of not just being a doctor to them, but really being a friend and kind of helping them.
I think my most rewarding moment was seeing a young woman. We figured out that she had type 1 MPGN. We got her on appropriate therapy. Every time she saw me, she would cry and hug me and tell me how happy that she was, that, that she was getting better.
I have a patient who's 72 years old, and he had always liked biking. I told him, I said, you're doing well now. You should start exercising and living your life. Now, on his non-dialysis days, he rides like 30 miles every other day. When they get that change in their mentality about the fact that this isn't the end, that this truly is the beginning, it's very rewarding.
You have your clinical side where you make a difference, hopefully, but then the research side, it may take a lot longer to get there, but the hope is that you can impact a lot of people.
I enjoy being in the lab very much. I enjoy figuring out various things that can be directly related to patient care in any level.
When you do get that experiment to work or something that finally works after trying multiple times, that's really rewarding.
It's definitely worth it. The community is amazing. It's such a rewarding field.